Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Timothy Keenan. Today I'd like to show you the best way to heal persistent coccyx pain yourself. Lift your leg and place the edge of an unopened soup can on a painful spot. Then lean onto the edge of the can and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat the procedure 10 times each side, concentrating your efforts on the most painful region and adding pressure as the tissues warm up. Do this 3 times a day. This is the sacrotuberous ligament. If it hurts yet feels good at the same time, you're doing the right thing. It's so easy. The weight of your body does all of the work for you. It's that simple. Try it for a week. If you feel improvement, continue treating yourself at the same intensity until you're perfectly healed. If you have less pain when sitting, it's proof that you're healing and you should congratulate yourself. If you treat yourself as I've described, you should be completely healed in 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the severity of your condition. When you start, it's normal to have sensitive skin for 3 to 4 days as your body eliminates stored up toxins. Never apply heat, including hot baths, since heat increases inflammation. If you've just hurt yourself, you may apply ice for 15 minutes 4 times a day for 3 days in order to reduce the inflammation. In order to accelerate healing, avoid sitting on hard surfaces. Once healed, if ever you feel the pain coming back, treat it immediately before it gets worse. Finally, in an effort to clear up the confusion surrounding the real cause of coccyx pain, if you heal yourself using my method, it's scientific proof that your coccyx pain was caused exclusively by contracted soft tissues, since that's all my method corrects. This means that even if you can see osteoarthritis, what most people call arthritis, fibromyalgia, misaligned coccyx or vertebrae, subluxations, pinched nerves, a short leg or degenerated, slipped, thinned, bulging or herniated discs on your X-rays, CT scans or MRIs, they have absolutely nothing to do with your pain, so you can ignore them. Only 5% of coccyx pain is caused by things other than contracted soft tissues, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and fascia, so you have a 95% chance of healing yourself when you use my method correctly. That's all you need to heal pain yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to write me. Bye for now and happy healing.